I can't find where can I plug in this microphone so you can hear me better. I feel so stupid, my gosh. I just did find where to plug in the microphone. Hello beauties, welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. If you're new, then hi, I'm Zina and I'm a hair artist, and I usually do on my Awesome Hairstyles channel hairstyles that you basically can make yourself at home, even if you don't have like the prettiest hair like me. I did cut my hair these days, so my hair is definitely much shorter. Okay, but for the reason of this video, I didn't straighten my hair. It's just dry, okay? And I'll tell you that sometimes it looks even curlier, but because I did cut my hair, it looks a little better than usual. But today we'll review an amazing tool, which I am excited because I'll test it out with you. So this is basically LassRoka, I hope that I'm spelling it right, hair straightening comb.
LassRoka straightening comb can fit a variation of thick and thin hair in the process of use. With the flexible adjustment button, even thin hair can be tightly stuck in the comb tooth in the straightening process to achieve the best straightening effect. The 360 degrees rotating cord won't be tangled during styling. The hot comb increases 10 million negative ion function, which can reduce the static electricity created by positive ions, reduces frizz, giving you a silky and natural look. Anti-scald and super fast heat up. The 25 seconds fast heating technology and anti-hot material heat up quickly and provide uniform heat distribution.
5 levels of temperature, meaning from 300 degrees Fahrenheit till 450. And this means from 150 degrees Celsius, which is like appropriate for me. I usually use to straighten my hair like 160 degrees. Let's see what we have inside of our box. So basically we have our comb, it looks like that, and a velvety case, golden. You are golden. Instructions, and here we have a heat protection glove, which I think will be very handy, but we'll see in the process, because I'll be honest guys, I'm a hair artist and I got burns so many times, so we'll see if I need it, but you definitely need to wear it. Okay, so like that. I think very strange noise. I think this is because it's new. Sometimes it happens with hair tools, and it's heating up. So here we have scrolling, so it has 200 degrees. So I'll use it at 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 150 degrees Celsius. So it's very simple. Now it's ready to use. God, it's not hot. Let's try it. Heat protection. Got it. I did use some of these before. Before straightening my hair, I'm always brushing my hair, which I think that's normal if you don't wanna get your hair into your straightener, and you know sometimes it gets stuck. So now I'll take about that much. The rest we'll use the clips so I'm taking a small amount of it and trying to do this is my hair. And now at the end I'll use that button, which is very handy. Oh, I love it, and it's not very hot, by the way. I don't know how it works, but I think because it works well, because it gets into every single strand is getting into the wool, and because of the clip button, it makes your hair like how you like. And I would like to get the look of a fresh blowout. We'll see. I see. I already see. I don't know how about you. You can see if to compare. See? And I did it like 2 times because it's my first time using it. So let's try another side. Now, like that. Okay. Now again, the bottom. Guys, take into account that this is only 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which usually doesn't work well. Let's try a little hotter. 360, okay? Enough for my hair. I want more volume, as I said, so that's why I'm doing that like that. And now bottom. Okay, it's not stuck. This is because of the bottom. Okay, okay. I feel that these will love each other. I'll be honest, I can be patient with my clients, but not with my hair. This, yes, this is true. So we give it some volume first, and for the ends, we have our bottom like that. Okay. One more. Next section. For next section, I think I'll bring it up because I want the look of freshly blow out, and that's why I'm bringing it up for a little bit of volume. The thing that the most I can appreciate in this tool, that it not leaves your hair flat. I hate the feeling of flat hair. For many girls, maybe a lot of girls like that, but in my opinion, it looks like a little dirty. For the next, I'm sectioning like that. I'm doing basically what a girl can do at home. I don't have enough patience for my hair, actually. Just not nice, but I know. We work with what we have. On bottom. It does, and take into account, guys, it's not stuck. I use the button, which helps you to not hold your hair, like, you know, you don't hold it like that, you hold it with the button. Up and down. Also button. Okay. I usually do like that. I leave my top. So the top is my dessert. I'm sectioning my back. Take my comb and bring my hair to up. Okay. To make this curve. Basically, I made like 1, 2, 3, 4 sections. So this is very easy instead of using a hair straightener. And I'll tell you one more time that I don't like the look of straight, slick hair. I think this is not so attractive, especially. Oh no, I'm bringing my hair now. Okay. This is so easy. If you want to straighten your roots as well, you just brush it from both sides like that. Just showing you just what I'm doing, like for the first time. I'm like teaching you, you know. This is a problem. You can also curl your hair with it if you want a tutorial how to curl your hair with this tool. Let me know. And here for my bangs, I think this is the interesting part. I'll brush it like that first, and then I'll brush it from underneath. front section of my bangs. I'll brush it first. Like so. And then I'll curve it. And they want them. Okay. Okay. I can see myself. This is cute. Okay. Interesting part, guys. Guess how much this costs? This is kind of affordable. This is $48. This is not much because I'm used to buy professional products, and I'll say those costs like 100 and higher. And the very interesting thing is that now with my link you can buy it for, guess how much? Guess how much, guys? 40% off, meaning you'll buy it for 28. And in my opinion, this is an amazing price for this product. If you want to get one, definitely check out the info bar. I'll leave all the information over there. Make sure to check it out. Also, guys, I saw this product, a lot of girls are testing them out, and I was really curious to know, does this worth it, the price, or not? Or does it work? Is this something different? And yes, it is something very different. And the pluses, I can say so that 160 degrees Celsius for my hand of a hair straightener, this is a lot. But this one, I'm not getting burned. Actually, of course it's hot, but I can stay like that. It's okay with me. I remember once I was making some Hollywood waves on my hair, and I wasn't a hair artist at that time, and I get burned so much, like here, like so painful, and it took a lot of time until it got healed. Take into account this is a hot tool, but you'll not get burned with it as I got with a hair wand. This is a very useful thing when you are on a rush and you want your hair straight, voluminous, or like waved with big waves. Don't forget to check out the link in the info bar with hair straightening comb. Of course, use my discount, so you'll thank me later. But that's it for today. And I love you so much, and see you soon in my next video. Bye!